Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a very simple one. We are going to make the Bengali Panch Phoran, which is 5 spice mix. Panch means 5 and Phoran are the spices. So these are mixed together and used as tempering in almost all the Bengali dishes. You can use this even in making pickles. So shall we proceed to make the Panch Phoran? We have taken mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, Nigella seeds or onion seeds 1 teaspoon, methi seeds half teaspoon, and cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Now we have to mix everything together. If you wish to take more methi seeds, you can make it 1 teaspoon as well. Mix everything in a bowl. And here is your Panch Phoran ready for use. You can use it as it is, or if you want you can crush it lightly. I prefer the lightly crushed one. Always use a pestle and mortar to do this. Never use a mixie, as we want to only crush it a bit. In a mixie or a grinder, however careful you are, it becomes a powder. So here it is done. The crushed version is ready. You can store it in a clean dry jar. It makes a lot more easier when you have the spice mix ready for use. Make sure the jar is clean and dry. This is used extensively in Bengali cooking. You can also use it in pickles. So here we are done. Friends, if you have not subscribed, do so, and also click on the bell icon to get notifications about my new uploads. Check out these videos also in case you have missed watching them. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.